There are 5 reasons why you need to grow a loyal audience on LinkedIn. That boils down to benefiting your career or business by increasing your networking opportunities, visibility, and access to potential leads and business opportunities. And that's how you do it for free with ChatGPT. Let's go. Hello and welcome. If you are watching this video, I imagine you are either a job seeker or a business owner. From the perspective of a job seeker, a loyal LinkedIn audience is equal to networking opportunities. A larger loyal audience means more connections and networking opportunities with professionals in your industry sector. Increased visibility. Growing your audience boosts your profile visibility, making it easier for potential employers and recruiters to find you and consider you for open job roles and opportunities. Job leads. A larger network can lead to more job leads and referrals, increasing your chances of finding a well-paid job. Professional branding. Building a strong LinkedIn presence helps you to establish a professional brand and showcase your expertise, which can make you more attractive to employers. From the perspective of a business owner, a loyal LinkedIn audience is equal to lead generation. A larger audience means a larger pool of potential leads for your business, increasing your chances of converting them into customers. Brand awareness. Growing your LinkedIn audience increases your brand's visibility and recognition among a wider audience. Customer engagement. Larger audience provides more opportunities for engagement with your target audience, leading to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sales and partnership opportunities. More leads converted to customers boosts your sales and revenue, while larger LinkedIn network can lead to more partnerships and collaborations. Only 2 words: content and consistency. Content is key to increasing your LinkedIn visibility and growing your audience. Initially, aim to post once per week, gradually ramping up for daily or more frequent posts. The content you create should be both valuable and engaging, tailored to your industry sector and niche. Niche, right? You may say, okay, Ruslan, that sounds great, but how do you come up with the content ideas? Glad you asked. I will show you exactly how ChatGPT can help you to generate endless ideas that will boost your visibility, enhance your professional brand, and expand your LinkedIn network. Did you know that after Google, the second largest search engine in the internet is YouTube? That's what we will use for our content generation. The main idea here is that you want to find some video on YouTube which you want to watch quickly and ideally learn something new, then summarize captions in the suitable format and finally convert it into engaging LinkedIn posts. And that's how you do it for free with ChatGPT. Let's go. If you're enjoying the content, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for being part of our great community. Your support is awesome. First, go to the website glasp.co/YouTube-summary and download a free browser extension. Depending on your browser, click the relevant button. In my case, it is Google Chrome, and I'm taken to the Chrome Web Store. I have already installed this extension, so I can only remove it, but you might see a button to install it. After installing, you should be able to see it on top among other extensions. If not, click on the jigsaw puzzle to open a list of your installed extensions, and you can pin it on top if you wish. Next step. Go to the YouTube and find a video you want to summarize and ideally learn from. If you have a Glasp extension, you will see an additional tab in your YouTube called Transcripts and Summary. You can open it up and see the whole video transcript. If the transcript is not provided, it will be auto-generated which is not ideal but better than nothing. Now you can copy the transcript markdown, jump to the transcript point currently in the video like this, or view an AI summary directly inside the ChatGPT interface with an already predefined prompt message which you can change in the Glasp settings. I have already generated the prompt. The prompt in this example says, give me a 300-word bullet point summary of the transcript so that I can learn from this topic. Next, YouTube video title and transcript. The ChatGPT response is the following. Here is a fun part. If you do not like the response, you can always regenerate it. Step number 2. Write a following or a similar prompt to transform this list of bullet points into a post on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Draft a 150-word LinkedIn post, no hashtags, in 8th grade English using a listicle blog format, teaching my audience the topics outlined in the video and using the title of the video as the first line. Step number 3. The most important step. Take what ChatGPT gives you and add your personal experience, unique insights, opinion, and you are set to success and grow your LinkedIn audience. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you find these videos helpful or entertaining, smash that like button to help the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks, until next time.